Have you ever wondered what the future of computing looks like? The line between mobile and desktop computing is dissolving, and standing at the forefront of this revolution is the Snapdragon X Elite. More than a chip, it's the key to transforming your PC into a hub of seamless connectivity, high-fidelity entertainment, and robust security. It's not just about speed, it's about a whole new experience. So, what makes this powerhouse so special? Let's dive into what makes the Snapdragon X Elite a game-changer. Imagine streaming your favorite shows, downloading large files, or syncing your data across devices without any lag or interruption. This isn't some far-off tech fantasy, it's the reality with the Snapdragon X Elite. This powerhouse chip is not just about blistering speed, it's about transforming your PC into a hub of seamless connectivity. The Snapdragon X Elite's support for the latest 5G and Wi-Fi 7 with HBS multi-link revolutionizes your digital life. Whether you're working from home, crunching numbers at the office, or on a cross-country road trip, you're always connected. The chip ensures you're never left in the digital dark, maintaining constant connectivity no matter where you are or what you're doing. This is about more than just staying connected. It's about creating a fluid, uninterrupted digital experience. But that's not all. The Snapdragon X Elite has more to offer. Ever wished for your devices to work together as one cohesive unit? Well, wish no more. Snapdragon Seamless Trademark technology is here to change the game. This innovative feature allows for effortless and intuitive switching between your smartphone, tablet, and PC. Imagine a world where your devices don't just coexist, they collaborate. You start a report on your smartphone during your commute, continue on your tablet at the coffee shop, and finalize it on your PC at home. All of this with no need for manual data transfer or syncing. Snapdragon Seamless Trademark technology adapts to your needs, creating a dynamic user experience that's as flexible as your lifestyle demands. It's like having a personal assistant that knows exactly what you need, when you need it, and how you want it delivered. This is the future of device interoperability, where your tech works together to support you rather than complicating your life. And the innovation doesn't stop there. Let's talk about high-fidelity sound. Now imagine a world where every note of your favorite song, every dialogue in your most loved movie, every beat in your go-to workout music is delivered with crystal-clear precision. That's what Snapdragon Sound Trademark Technology Suite promises. This isn't just about amplifying volume or enhancing bass, it's a complete redefinition of high-fidelity sound, pushing boundaries and eliminating the constraints of wires and traditional audio systems. Snapdragon Sound Trademark is designed specifically for wireless headphones, providing lossless audio quality. This means no compromise on the richness, depth, and clarity of the sound. Every note, every nuance is captured and reproduced exactly as the artist intended. So whether you're an audiophile with an ear for detail or a casual listener who just loves good music, Snapdragon Sound Trademark is set to revolutionize your auditory experience. And of course, we cannot forget about security. Security is a major concern in today's digital age, and the Snapdragon X Elite rises to the occasion with a fortress of security measures. Starting from the chip level, the Qualcomm Secure Processing Unit runs Microsoft Pluton TPM, a robust defense system that shields your PC from external threats. It's like having a digital guardian constantly watching over your device, but the protection doesn't stop there. The Snapdragon X Elite also incorporates total memory encryption, a fail-safe system that keeps your data locked away from unauthorized users. It's like having a vault in your PC, ensuring your information stays inaccessible and secure. And for that extra layer of assurance, the chip supports Microsoft's Secured Core PC. This means your device aligns with the highest standards of security, safeguarding your most sensitive information. It's like having a fortress with multiple lines of defense, all working together to protect your digital world. The Snapdragon X Elite isn't just a chip, it's a comprehensive solution that's transforming computing. The Snapdragon X Elite is bringing the best of mobile technology to your PC. It's not just a chip, it's a comprehensive solution that offers lightning-fast connectivity, seamless device interoperability, high-fidelity sound, and uncompromised security. It's about creating a world where your devices don't just coexist but collaborate, ushering in a user experience that's as fluid as it is secure. Welcome to the future of computing, where mobility, performance, and security converge to create something truly extraordinary. Thank you for tuning in.